Hey there, psychology enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of Wilhelm Wundt, the man who's often hailed as the father of modern psychology. Ready to learn how he revolutionized the field? Let's get started. Wilhelm Wundt was born in Germany in 1832. Before Wundt, psychology was more of a philosophy, with a lot of questions but not many answers. Wundt changed all that by introducing scientific methods to study the human mind. In 1879, Wundt established the first ever psychology laboratory at the University of Leipzig. This was a groundbreaking move because it marked psychology as a distinct scientific discipline. Students from all over the world flocked to Leipzig to learn from him, and Wundt's lab quickly became a hub for psychological research. Wundt's approach was called structuralism. He believed that the best way to understand the mind was to break it down into its basic components. Imagine trying to figure out a complex machine by studying each individual part. That was Wundt's idea, but applied to the mind. One of his key techniques was introspection. Wundt would train his students to carefully observe their own thoughts and sensations in a controlled setting. It wasn't perfect, after all. How can you be totally objective about your own mind? But it was a start. Another major contribution was Wundt's work on reaction times. By measuring how quickly people responded to stimuli, he provided insights into the speed of mental processes. This was one of the earliest examples of experimental psychology, and it paved the way for many more discoveries. Wundt also wrote extensively, producing over 50,000 pages of content in his lifetime. His most famous work, Principles of Physiological Psychology, laid the foundation for future research and established the importance of studying the mind scientifically. Now, it's important to note that Wundt's methods weren't without criticism. Structuralism eventually gave way to other approaches, like functionalism and behaviorism, but without Wundt's pioneering efforts, psychology might never have become the rigorous science it is today. So why does Wilhelm Wundt matter? Because he dared to ask questions that no one else was asking and sought to answer them with scientific rigor. His work laid the groundwork for the diverse and dynamic field of psychology that we study today. Next time you're sifting through dense research papers or grappling with complex theories, take a moment to thank Wundt. His legacy lives on in every experiment, every theory, and every discovery in the world of psychology. That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this dive into the history of psychology, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more fascinating insights. Until next time, keep questioning and keep exploring.